stop misinterpreting these faithful Lagos men. Lagos men just want to be your friend and nothing more. Men, let's say your mind. The problem we're having is that anything we do for the women, when they misinterpret our man, they say that because of sex, and it's bad. Men, if you collect a woman's number, are you collecting it because of sex? You collect the girl number, you call her baby right, you let's go out for lunch. Are you taking her out for lunch because of sex? What nonsense? You take her out for lunch, you say, oh, M.O.P. they do show. You bring her come here. Did you bring her here because of sex? After the show, they don't die. We say, baby, you can't go. Lagos is not safe. Let's help you, Lord. Oh. You think we're not in hotel because of sex? Then we lodge hotel. Not be say we not get money to lodge for ourselves, oh, but we want to be sure that you are. We follow you stay your. You think we are staying your hotel because of sex?
Ladies and gentlemen, as a young boy, do you know it is better to date a sugar mommy than to date a widow? Seriously, one widow while they date for Korea, go a place, go spend night. Before I wake up for money, picking wear my shoe come out. This year, and I greet you. I called the ask him, Mama, I said, why you picking the behave like? He said, no, take it easy. It's like a stepson to you. When the picking come, I'm not sure for the picking because the picking senior me. Wait till you pay me and the picking birthday. I buy this watch for the boy got a shot for me. Why go buy a fake watch and not if you buy a real watch? But man, I called the say, boy, you are not my real son. I called the third woman, I said, no, madam, this relationship will not work again. Now the woman called me down, they begged me, said, Douglas, please, don't hurt my feelings. I'm like a mother to you. Let's go to novel. So, ladies and gentlemen, my time is up. I always tell men, you see, recently I did a research. I discovered say the rate when married men till they die leave their wife, now like 95%. One man go get cardiac arrest, die. They say, get BP, die. I go to do research, what did they cause them? When I say what did they cause them, I shock. Very small thing. That name, I am the head of the house. I say, eh? School fees go come head of the house, take care of school fees. Accident, head of the house. All the bills, head of the house. Now call my wife. I say, baby, for this house, we don't have head. You are the head, I am the head. Now, like this, now, me and my wife, we run our house like democracy. Every 2 years. Like this, say, now, my wife be the head. Now, they pay her rent, they pay school fees, they buy food stuff. While me, they go market, they buy the children, they carry them, they go school. Who throw this to come? You see the way Lagos good. For worry, they know they throw money like this for you. As they perform for it, somebody go just call shook 1,000 for your pocket, waka go. Another person go call shook 200, collect the 1,000, go. Shoot.
All right.
Wait first. Not me now, they don't spray me. Say, all right, which kind of me of progress in Lagos? For worry, they tell me, all right. Okay, thank you. I like the way they try. Now, worry, they spray me 1,020 pieces. 1,020. I count the money. The guy will give me the money, go give me 7. How come they say no, bro? The money part, I say no. Say now 5, they spray you. I they had my 2 join more.
My first attack, I got it in first tag, man. Bro, no farmer for Farm City. Now hot food there. For Farm City, those girls, they are very crazy. Sexual intercourse is very expensive in Lagos, man. At the 10 years, say how much for a night? He say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nature. Now my pig don't stand, though your own just flat. God. Now I tell the girls, say anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked Farm City. I go to Total, celebrate Greece. Baba, Sangote do boys. Baba. Total girls, very customer friendly. DGM, I go Total. I had to get say, how much for a night? Say 30K, but they do promo 25. Say nice. Bro, with accommodation, oh, that girl, oh, now for my house. I tell the woman, say, let's go. And she senior me, oh, and they fuck with respect. Mama, nipple. God. When you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman. In the morning, I pay her 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K, cure her, 45,000, I remain 105. I put her for Bitcoin, it rise. Sense. Guy, now Lagos be this. Port Harcourt boy, on my leg. Who be that? Waiting be in there. Baba tomorrow na sit at home. Just they spray. I know they send money go village. Who be you? Who are you? M.O.P. M.O.P. Puss. You don't finish. Baba, you dey come quick. Oh. Throw bundle, not they spray this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I do this one and I go. For this Lagos, they know they stay one place for long. If you stay one place for 1 year, back out from that place, they go see you finish. They go tell you, say, God bless your neighbor. Be happy. God is your neighbor. Who not allow you. You God bless your neighbor. Back out. Now you go to pump water. I pack up from Sangotedo. I go Elaje movement. I reach there. DJ, my neighbor now shall celebrate grace. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. Yo, I dey wake up, I start when they call me fine boy, you don't shop. Grace.
You this day, Regina Daniel, this day her husband being spec. That's the God of 11th hour. Do you know that Regina Daniel was in teenage church 1 week? The next week she joined Christian Mothers. Spirit of grace. That our friends now they come greet them after church. You go to tap them for back. How is your mommy? How is your you see her in church, give them money to go buy ice cream, you know? See now by fine. That fine yellow boy, and they see him again. Yes now. So use your head, follow the right lane. I make when I check the industry, I say, oh man, this man I like follow. When I hear clap, if you want clap. Because in the world today, it's not easy make person where they do the same thing where they do. They give you full support. I'm a Igbo boy. I get sense. I know my age. I know who they for me. First time I believe this man with the drive going house. Now he tell me, say, that show where they come from now. Shall you perform? I say yes. He say, shall I perform? I say yes. He say, when I perform, people break chair. I say no. He say, not the same laughter. No, allow anybody to see you. As you funny, that's why funny. That's the, I know if you forget that talk for my life. That's the now decide saying that this man I won't follow. You understand? Yeah, I don't talk about that too. They plan open mortuary. Yeah. Riches, big, you see big men, eh? Classic things. It's at engineer now. Big man like him. You can never, what you go take no rich big man. You know if you catch big man first, where in the eat. If you go see big man, they say your guy is having dinner, you go wait for reception. You cannot be a big man and you day fast food. They say, no be that pomo, raise that pomo. No, you don't shift my pomo, shift this one. You get eyes to see big pomo, you don't get eyes to see big dream. They do raise pomo. And where would they get to it? You know, that's how they grow up for that till but many things just they enter my head. Would they respect, our respect be like, now stupid respect. They will come say that chair we face television, now only that you get them. Which kind of nonsense thing be that one? Our respect, we respect our papa rich cube of sugar when they drink tea. Me as last one, they use 2. My other sister, they use 3. My mother, they use 4. They give my papa 7. No reason that diabetes won't take kill the man. They respect person. Then they look down on me, they give me 2 cubes. Now they give me 2 cubes, now me they take care of them.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.